Hello guys, I got 2014 Toyota Prius V. The driver is complaining that after driving this car for 10 minutes, when he accelerates the car goes very good, and when he removes the foot from the accelerator, car starts shaking. So first thing I have checked on this car is I removed the spark plugs and checked the spark plugs. Spark plugs were all gone. I found bit of lead on the tip of the spark plug. So I'm going to remove the intake and check the EGR system and clean the EGR valve ports if they are blocked. We're gonna see first. Press this one inside, press this inside and lift it up. I'm going to take the intake manifold out. Have 1, 2 10 mil bolts. Take these 2 out. From here, lose this one. Slide it down. Take the MAF sensor plug out. Take the filter out. Take this cover out. Just pull it up. You have 1 bolt here. Put them inside. I have 1 there. I'm going to use the long extension to open that one. So take this coolant pipe out from the lip. So this is out. Now I have to take this intake pipe that goes onto the throttle body. This is a breather pipe from the rocker cover. So I'm going to take this clamp out. That's out. So I'm going to take the plugs. That's for the throttle body. That's for the MAF sensor. I have to take these 2 pipes. That's for the coolant. That goes to the throttle body to keep the temperature down. You got a clip here, wiring clip. That's out. 1 clip here. That's out as well. You have 1 plug here. You have a purge valve or VCB valve. I removed the plug from this one as well. So before taking these off, I'm going to take this wiring that has 2 clips, 1 here and 1 here. These 2 clips out with the trim puller. So this is out. So I have access here now. So I'm going to take a 10 mil bolt here on the side that holds the bracket here. So now if you can see this pipe, this has a lot of blockage in there. I'm going to just clean it from the front. See this sludge? On the other side, it's the same thing. So I'm going to take the intake out and show you how much it is blocked. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 bolts and 2 nuts, 12 mil there, and you have to take these 2 pipes out, these 2 pipes out, and this is gonna come with the throttle body, and you have to take this one out. So 3 pipes and pull it out. I'll show you how to do it. So I'm going to take this bolt out first. So put the tray underneath to catch the coolant. You have 1 pipe here. That's the breather pipe, main breather pipe from the crankcase. Okay, so if you can see, I just took intake manifold out. If you can see, these are 4 ports for the EGR. So 2 are pretty good, but these 2 are almost blocked. These are the EGR ports. If you can see, if I take this is a wiper blade, insert wire. If you can see this, because if you are using a dirty oil or not a specific oil, that oil goes into the intake and blocks the EGR. So I cleaned this one a little bit before, and if I show you this one, if you see this here, if you can see this one, this will tell you the whole story. Look at this. Look what's coming out. So this is all block. So when I'm gonna clean this one, everything will be all right. That's the main cause of shaking of the car. This can happen on Prius 1.8, Lexus CT200 1.8, Prius V 1.8, where you have the 2ZR application. 2ZR is the engine code. 2ZR application, you have if the car is shaking, this is the problem. My advice is always use good quality 5W30 oil on this one. And now Toyota has revised the engine oil. I think now they started using 0W20 with SP spec. Okay guys, I cleaned. Can you see now? All the ports are cleaned properly. And now I'm going to put this one back in there. You need to put this hose first, and now slide the intake on the two studs. Make sure that all the pipes that you're gonna put are clear. This is gonna go here and this is gonna go here. So I'm going to put the bolts in first. And now I'm going to put the nuts on. So I'm going to lock them up. Put the hose back for the PCV valve and put the plug back. Route this one properly. Put the clamps back on these. Put the throttle body plug back. Put this one back here. Put this plug back. Everything is done on this side. Now I'm going to put the pipe back in. I cleaned the pipe as well, as you can see. The seal is there, one seal is there. And I'm going to put this on. So this clamp gonna go around this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna take it out and put it back. Take the pipe up, slide this down. It's gonna go here. Route your pipe first. I'm going to put this duct back in. Stick back in. I'm going to put the filter back. Put this plug first. Slide this in here. On. Plug is on. Okay, now I'm going to go for the drive and warm this car up and see if it shakes or not. Thank you.